This evening in Primetime News, government breaks silence on the future of the Cuban medical program.
U.S. Secretary of State to visit Jamaica next week.
And more reactions to court injunction blocking plans to make Portmore the 15th parish. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kalisha, I tell you what, Cygnus Real Estate Finance is reporting a strong growth in profit and revenues. The details later on in the financial week.
And to tell us what's happening in sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you very much, Gio. There was one medal for Jamaica on the opening day of competition at the World Athletics Indoor Championships in Nanjing, China. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. More sunshine, quite a bit of wind. We are also going to be introducing a small craft warning to sections of the northern coast starting tomorrow.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are some of the issues you believe should be discussed when U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio meets African leaders next week?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.